Hello everyone, my name is Jyoti Kiran and I welcome you to the official channel of Even English Academy. In this video, I will discuss about the Duolingo English test, which is an English proficiency test and fulfills admission requirements for international applicants at many universities abroad. The very first question that arises in the mind of applicant is, what is Duolingo English test? It is a modern English proficiency assessment for today's international students and institutions. The test is available online, on demand. You don't have to make an appointment or travel to a test center. You can take the test from your home with the help of computer and webcam. Well, the next question arises, why should you take the Duolingo English test? First of all, this test is a more convenient, accessible, and cost effective English proficiency assessment. When you have decided to appear for this test, you need to pay only $49, which is quite low than the traditional English proficiency exams. Okay, now something important, the English Duolingo test. It includes a writing portion and a video interview. Both are included when you share your results with the university. So this is a great opportunity for international admissions staff to learn about you and for you also to showcase yourself and your English language ability. You have a choice of 2 questions for each video interview and the writing sample. Then you will speak for 1 to 3 minutes and write for up to 5 minutes. Don't worry, there is a timer that will keep track for you. If you get stuck, do not get frustrated. Take a deep breath and answer each question as best you can. You will be able to review your responses before you share your results with university. If you are not happy with your performance, you can take the test again. The whole test will be taken in 60 minutes and result will be out in 5 days. Before appearing the Duolingo English test, you should know which schools or institutions accept the Duolingo English test. Duolingo partners with institutions across the globe, including hundreds of universities and colleges who accept the Duolingo English test as a part of their admission process. So before applying to any university or educational institution, you should check that your institution is partner with Duolingo or not. The next part of this video will give you an idea that how you will appear for the Duolingo English test and how does the screen look like.
One, two, three. 1, 2, 3.
I haven't traveled much in these parts for a long time.
Counterpart.
Dismiss.
They then spoke into the recorder, identifying themselves as supporters of the coup.
A foreign culture that I like is an American culture.
Describe the most beautiful natural scenery you have ever seen. Where did you see it, and who else was with you?
The most beautiful scenery that I've seen was when I went to Croatia with my best. The last place that I visited with my best friend was
Here I have mentioned a link. You will find this link in the description also, where you can take a sample test. A sample test will familiarize you with the types of questions you will encounter on the Duolingo English test. I recommend that you take a sample test so you will get to know what to expect on the real test and can focus on doing your best. The sample test is free and you can take it as many times as you want. When you complete it, the sample test provides an estimated score range. Keep in mind that the sample test is shorter and the score range is unofficial and less accurate. I hope you have found this video helpful. You can comment in the section below if you need any further information. Thank you for watching.